Hello everyone, you're watching Azhar ki pathshala. In last video we studied about the recording transaction of a topic called accounting equation. We studied the basic accounting equations like assets is equals to liabilities plus capital, how to find the assets, how to find capital and how to find the liabilities. Now today we are going to learn about the accounting equation for 6 marks. Let us start. Prepare accounting equation on the basis of the following. Jayan started business with rupees 1 lakh, deposited 15,000 into SBI bank, purchased goods from Arun for cash 20,000. It's same as the last topic we studied, just it is asked for 6 marks and this is a guaranteed question in the first PUC. So let us start. Jayan started business with rupees 1 lakh. So first we are going to write assets. In assets we are going to write 1 lakh is equals to liabilities. What are the liabilities? Liabilities are not given, should write 0. What's capital? 1 lakh. How the capital is also 1 lakh and assets is also 1 lakh. Jayan started business with rupees 1 lakh. What are rupees? Cash is an asset, so we should write 1 lakh in asset side. And when we are starting business, we put our cash into capital, means everything is put into a place where we start a business. So cash is put into the business, so it's a capital. Okay, the next one, deposit 15,000 into SBI bank. What we are going to do is, we are going to write first what is 1 lakh minus 15,000. 1 lakh minus 15,000, it's 85,000. We are going to write here 85,000. Then we are going to add the 15,000 that you are deposited into the bank. Liabilities is not given, 0, and the capital is same. Why we subtracted 15,000 from 1 lakh? Because 15,000 is our money that we are going to put into the bank. So we subtracted 15,000 that the cash we had and we wrote it 85,000 is left from the cash we had. This is 15,000 is that the amount that we deposited into the bank. 15,000 is the virtual money. Let us go to next one. Purchase goods from Arun for cash 20,000. We are going to now subtract 20,000 from 85,000. 1 lakh, no, 85,000, sorry, minus 20,000. What is it? 65,000. First going to write 65,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 is equals to 0 plus 1 lakh. Now why we subtracted 20,000 from 85,000? Because we are purchasing goods with cash and goods are our assets. When we sell it, we can gain profit from them. So we should subtract 85,000 from 20,000. Okay, so therefore assets is equals to 1 lakh capital is also 1 lakh. Now we should write the assets by adding all these: 65,000 plus 20,000, 85,000, 85,000 plus 15,000, 1 lakh. Assets is 1 lakh. Capital is 1 lakh. We should write like that. Now this is the question for 6 marks, and it is very easy to solve. Just you should subtract from the assets and capital. Now let us go to the next sum. This is the next sum. Prepare accounting equation with the help of the following information. Shweta started business with cash 2 lakh. She deposited cash into bank 30,000. She purchased goods from Neha for cash 40,000. So the first one, Shweta started business with cash. So you should make this type of table with 3 columns: assets is equals to and liabilities plus capital. It is not compulsory to make the table, but it looks nice when you make it. Shweta started business with cash. So we should write 2 lakh is equals to 0 plus 2 lakh. See, Shweta started business with cash. Whenever it's this type of question is given, you should just see what is the amount and just put it into the assets and put it into the capital. Don't think too much about this question. So she deposited cash into bank 30,000. Cash into bank 30,000. First we should subtract 30,000 from 2 lakh because she is depositing the cash to the bank. Okay. 2 lakh minus 30,000 is equals to 1,70,000. Should write 1,70,000 plus 30,000, 0 plus 2 lakh. So this is the cash that is having in hand, and this is the cash that is deposited into the bank. Both are this his money, and 2 lakh is also the capital. We should not change the capital. She purchased goods from Neha for cash 40,000. Subtract 40,000 from 1,70,000. One 40,000. So 1,30,000. 1,30,000 plus 40,000 plus 30,000 is equals to 0 plus 2 lakh. She purchased goods from Neha for cash 40,000. What are goods? Goods are our assets, and when we sell our goods, we gain some profit over them, and sometimes we get loss, but most of the time we gain profit, and that are our assets. So we should separate them and put into it or in assets. Therefore assets is equals to 2 lakh, liabilities is 0, so we should not write them. Capital is 2 lakh. It's proved. Now let us go to our next sum where we have liabilities and assets and capital also. So let us go to the next question. Prepare accounting equation with the help of the following. Hema started business with cash 2 lakh. She started business with cash 2 lakh. So we'll write 2 lakh in asset side as cash is an asset, liabilities 0, capital 2 lakh. Purchased goods from Rama for cash 40,000. She purchased goods for Rama cash 40,000. First we will subtract 40,000 from 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 40,000 gives us 1,60,000. Okay. $1,60,000 plus 40,000. So basically we separate this account because we are paying cash to buy goods. So when you go to a shop, you want goods, you want some drinks or you want some chocolate, you give money first, then you buy it. Same way, he goes and buys goods from Rama worth 40,000. So he gives cash of rupees 40,000 from the cash he is having 2 lakh. He gives 40,000 and we are left cash of 1,60,000, and we have goods worth 40,000. Both of these are equal to our capital, which is 2 lakh. 0 plus 2 lakh. Okay. Sold goods to Mohit costing 10,000 for 12,000. So this is a question with a twist. Let me explain you. First we'll write 1,60,000 left. This is a cash, right? This is a cash. These are goods. Okay, cash. So he sold goods costing 10,000. So first we'll subtract 10,000 from 40,000, which will give us 30,000. So you will ask me, why did I subtract 10,000 from 40,000? Because these are the goods, purchased goods, sold goods to Mohit, rupees 10,000. So we are selling goods, the worth of the goods will get low. Okay, so we'll write 30,000, and we'll add the amount that he sold it to Mohit. He sold it for 12,000. We'll write here 12,000 is equals to 0 plus what will come here. See, he sold the goods for 12,000, right, which costed him 10,000. The amount left is 2,000. So this is the profit that we made by selling the goods to Mohit, to 2,000. We'll add this 2,000 to the capital amount. 2,02,000. Okay. Purchase furniture from Furniture Mart for 7,000 in credit. So we are buying it in credit, means we buy it but we don't pay it in advance. We will pay it later. So we'll write here 1,60,000 plus 30,000 plus 12,000 plus 7,000, which will give us, first it will write, it is a liability. Okay, we should pay it later, so we'll write here 7,000 plus 2,02,000. Okay guys, so assets is equals to 2,09,000, 2,09,000. Liabilities is equals to 7,000, and capital is equals to 2,02,000. If you solve this according to what I taught you, you will get correctly 6 marks. Okay, let us go to next question. The next question, prepare accounting equation with the help of the following. Rahul started business with cash. Okay, he started business with cash, 2,50,000. We'll write here 2,50,000 is equals to liability 0, capital 2,50,000. Okay, he purchased goods from Raghu 50,000 worth rupees 50,000. Will subtract 50,000 from 2,50,000. Okay guys, 2,50,000 minus 50,000, which will give us 2 lakh. We'll write here 2 lakh plus 50,000. Okay guys, 0 plus 2,50,000. Both of them are combined, give us capital. He sold goods to Manohar costing 10,000 for 12,000. First we'll write here 2 lakh, which is our cash, plus we will subtract first 10,000 from 50,000 goods purchased. 50,000 minus 10,000, which will give us 40,000. We'll write here 40,000. Okay guys, now he sold goods to Manohar for 12,000. We'll write here 12,000. Okay guys, here 0 plus, we'll not write this amount. First we will going to subtract. He sold it for 12,000, which costed him 10,000. The amount left is 2,000. We are going to add this amount here. Okay guys, 2,52,000. Now he purchased furniture for credit 10,000. We'll write here same as the last one, 2 lakh plus 40,000 plus 12,000 plus 10,000. Now he purchased it for credit. Now this amount will be a liability. He didn't pay the 10,000. He will pay it later in the future. So it is a liability. We'll write here 10,000 plus 2,52,000. Okay guys. Okay. Now we should write at last. Therefore, assets is equals to 2 lakh plus 40,000, 2 lakh 40, 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 62,000. 2 lakh 62,000. Okay guys, 2 lakh 62,000. Liabilities is equals to 10,000, and capital is 2,52,000. Okay guys, okay. So here your chapter gets over recording transactions 1, where you learned 6 marks question, 2 marks questions, and it is a very easy chapter. Now there is one more part in this chapter that will also get asked for 6 marks, but it's not that important. Then also I will teach you that part in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like the video.